This beautifully designed two-story home features a spacious open floor plan that blends comfort, functionality, and style. The main level welcomes you with a large living room that flows seamlessly into the kitchen, creating an ideal space for everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen is equipped with custom cabinetry, functional island, and a huge walk-in pantry for added storage and convenience. Adjacent to the kitchen are both a formal dining room and a cozy breakfast nook, offering flexible dining options. A convenient half bath completes the main floor. Upstairs, the home offers 4 generously sized bedrooms, each with their own walk-in closet, and 3 full bathrooms, providing plenty of space for everyone. The upper level also includes a dedicated laundry room for added ease and practicality. The finished basement expands the living space with a large recreation room perfect for gatherings, games, or movie nights. It also includes a non-conforming 5th bedroom that could easily serve as a home office, workout room, or guest space. A beautiful, low-maintenance saltwater pool installed just 3 years ago, featuring an automatic safety cover, perfect for first-time pool owners. Easy to care for, energy efficient, and designed for peace of mind. A 3-car garage provides ample parking and storage. This home offers the perfect